Everyone, so welcome to today's video where we talk about whether Facebook ads are even right for your business. This is something very simple that you can do with a quick check before spending even $1. So what we want to do, first of all, we want to go on something called the Facebook ads library. What it is a place where you can see what other businesses are actually running right now for their ads. Very easy to get to. So two ways we can get there. Either you go to facebook.com/ads/library, or you can just go to, a search engine like Google and type Facebook ads library. And then it should be the first link there. It will take you to a page like this. And then what we're going to do first, we're going to see if your competition, people who offer similar services to you, are themselves advertising on Facebook, right? So if your competition are doing it, it could be a sign that it could be worth it for you as well. So it's going to show you your country here, and then for the category, you can do all ads, and then you can type. So let's say if you're a painting business, let's try Arizona Painting Company, for example. What it's going to do, okay, it's going to show you kind of like their profile here. If they have a Instagram page and a Facebook page, how many likes they have, and they're currently running around 37 ads. Now I'll just teach you briefly how to read this, and then we can continue. So what we see here, this is an example here of an ad that they're running. Okay, this is a carousel ad, as we can see multiple pictures, and you can go into the ad if you click on it. What we can see here, we can see when they started running this specific ad, August 1st. So this was started just about a week and a half ago. So it's been running for a little bit, not too long, but a decent amount of time. And over here, we can see that they have it on Facebook, on Instagram, on the Audience Network, which is just other websites they're expanding to, as well as Messenger. Okay, so we see here what their ad is like, what their copy is, what images they use, what buttons they use, if it's get offer, subscribe, learn more, get quote, whatever it is, and along with their headline. So we can see these here. Now what you want to look for here, first look at several of your competitors, that way you can see if all of them are using it. Okay, then it means there's something there, or if most of them are using it, right? So if you can see that they're all using it, they're all doing ads, then there's a market right there for your business on Facebook. The other thing you get to see with this while you look at your competitors is seeing what kind of ads they're running, right? So you can see what kind of copywriting they have, what kind of visuals they have, what kind of headlines they have. And also you can click on here to go towards the ad if they're taking you to a landing page, or maybe they're taking you to an on Facebook lead form, for example. You can kind of see what they're doing, which is great for research purposes in general, which is what we always do when we have new clients and as we go along as well. So this is definitely something you want to check. So one, are your competitors using ads? 2 out of 3, you want to see how long they've been running. So this one, as we said, August 1st, been running for just a bit over a week and a half. This one, 20th of July, July 1st. Now what it means if they've been running for a while, this one's been running already. This is going to be for about 3 weeks. This is already over a month. It means that generally that these ads are doing well, right? Otherwise, unless they're mismanaged, they wouldn't keep these ads running, spending money, if they weren't doing well. So we can see that this has been running for a while, meaning it's been doing well from beginning of July. Let me see, July 1st seems to be the longest here, but that's fine. And as you look towards your competition, you can see, okay, do a lot of them have ads that have been running for a while? So generally ads that have been running for over 2 weeks are ones that you can see have been running for a bit under 2 weeks. Maybe they're testing, maybe they've been neglecting, and they're about to change it. We don't know. So if you want to see really more long-term, it's 2 weeks and above. If it's just a week, it might be still in the testing phase. So that's good to see. So again, you would check a few of these guys are your competition. So one, we have, is your competition advertising? Two, have they been advertising for a while? And the third and last one for today's video is seeing if you can match the offer or even make it better. So as you look around your competition, you can also see what kind of offers are they doing. Can you match their prices? Can you match, whatever else they're offering? Or can you even do better, right? These guys are doing, let's say, 20% off your painting project, right? Can you do that? And you might not know their prices, but if you're their competition, then you might know their prices. You should know their prices. Can you match that? Can you do better? And if you can't, can you justify why your prices are higher, right? People don't always go for the cheapest if you can convince them that you're better, right? Especially with projects, home remodeling, painting, people are willing to invest money if you can convince them that, it's your home, it's something that's going to last long term, right? So just to go over, is your competition advertising? Has it been advertising for a while? And can you match or do better on the offer? If you hit all of these three, this is a sign that you should and could be successful using Facebook ads for your business. If you have any questions, please let me know.